Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. In this video I want to talk to you about aspiring talent. Aspiring talent that is rude and stuck up. Believe it or not, it does happen. I've hired some aspiring talent that are just really has an attitude problem, and I've had to let them go, believe it or not. They think they're better than anyone else and deserve more than anyone else on set and promotions. And the best thing to do is just let these people go and cut bait with them. Block them on your Facebook account and anywhere on social media. Just don't deal with these people, because you could get them on set and they could attempt to damage your equipment or other things. Alright? So that's just a tip there. And it can be really surprising for aspiring talent to do this type of thing and have this type of attitude. But unfortunately, it does happen. Alright, hope this video helps. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel and put a like on my videos. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.